So hi guys again. After we checked real BOSSNA, we will check the road of BOSSNA for casting. So it's coming in two colors, green colors and the blue colors. So I choose the green colors and let's open it. The BOSSNA Fighter. Okay. Looks amazing good. So we take it out and let's read about it, what I'm choose exactly. So here it's 7.6 feet. It's named Fighter Monster Jets Monster. It's tournament specification BOSSNA International. Let's read about the drag here. The max drag you see here, it's 9 kg. The line from P2 to 4 and the lure weight from 6 to 50. Looks awesome road. So check the design. So it's coming with Fuji handle, the color, green color, and the guide is Fuji, all the Fuji guide, as you can see. And here, so this rod actually it's coming, as you see, with 3 sizes. So first size is 7 feet and we have the 7.6 feet and the 8 feet, but my rod, which one I chose is 7.6 feet. It's awesome rod. As you see the design, guys, it's the max drag, it's 9 kg. So let's begin and go for fishing, and we wish to catch a big fish with this rod, guys. Thank you so much and see you again. Thank you.